Yakult's founder, Dr. Minoru Shirota, successfully cultured the probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota for the first time in the world. 5 years later, in 1935, the probiotic drink Yakult was first introduced to the Japanese market. Yakult launched sales in Taiwan in 1964, and then other parts of Asia and Europe, starting an international business. In 1990, Yakult established a company in the United States. In 2012, Yakult Light was introduced to the American market. During the same year, Lacticacei bacillus paracasei strain shirota attained the status of generally recognized as safe by the FDA. In 2014, Yakult USA opened the California factory. People have been enjoying Yakult for more than 85 years. With our focus on the life sciences, Yakult is committed to contributing to the health and happiness of people around the world. Yakult contains the exclusive probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota. It's a probiotic assured by strict safety tests, and it has been enjoyed in Yakult globally for many years. Yakult incorporates the benefits of probiotics into its many types of probiotic beverages, teas, and other drinks, as well as cosmetics and pharmaceutical products which are sold worldwide. Our products are created by our advanced research institutes. The Yakult Central Institute in Japan is a global pioneer in the field of microbiological research. The European Research Center collects evidence on the benefits of Yakult from around the world. Yakult also has factories throughout the world. With its global production network, Yakult delivers its products locally in about 40 countries and regions. Here in the United States, Yakult opened its California factory in 2014. From here, we distribute Yakult drinks throughout the United States and Canada. Yakult contributes to society also through its sponsorship of sports. In Japan, Yakult owns a professional baseball team called the Yakult Swallows. In the United States, Yakult USA has a sponsorship with the Los Angeles Angels. Through our Yakult probiotic drink and contributions to local communities, we aim to make people around the world healthier and happier.
All right, so there's more about Yakult there. It did mention the Angels as our sponsorship, so we do go